Good morning. My name is Vidhi Patoria. Let's talk something about profit maximization versus wealth maximization. The key difference between wealth and profit maximization is that wealth maximization is the long-term objective of the company to increase the value of the stock of the company, thereby increasing shareholders' wealth to attain the leadership position in the market. Whereas profit maximization is to increase the capability to earn profits in the short run to make the company survive and grow in the existing competitive market. Wealth maximization consists of a set of activities that manage the financial resources intending to increase the value of the shareholders, whereas profit maximization consists of the activities that manage the financial resources intending to increase the profitability of the company. Wealth maximization is the long-term goal and involves multiple external factors like sales, products, services, market share, etc. It assumes the risk and recognizes the time value of money given the business environment of the operating entity. It is mainly concerned with the long-term growth of the company and hence is concerned more about fetching the maximum chunk of the market share to attain the leadership position. The process of increasing the profit earning capability of the company is referred to as profit maximization. It is mainly a short-term goal and is primarily restricted to the accounting analysis of the financial year. It ignores the risk and avoids the time value of money. It is primarily concerned as to how the company will survive and grow in the existing competitive business environment. Given the nature of the form of financial management, companies mainly have short-term perspective when it comes to earning profits, and that is very much limited to the current financial year. If we get into details, profit is actually what remains of the total revenue after paying for all the expenses and taxes for the financial year. Now, to increase the profit, company can either try to increase their revenue or try to minimize their cost structure. It may need some analysis of the input-output level to diagnose the operating efficiency of the company to identify the key improvement areas where the process could be tweaked or changed in their entirely to earn larger profits. Wealth maximization helps in achieving a large value of a company's wealth, which may reflect in the increased market share of the company. Profit maximization helps in achieving efficiency in the company's day-to-day operations to make the business profitable. Under profit maximization, the immediate increase of profit is paramount, so management may elect not to pay for the discretionary expenses such as advertising, research and maintenance. Under wealth maximization, management always pays for these discretionary expenses. Under profit maximization, management minimizes expenditure, so it is less likely to pay for hedges that could reduce the organization's risk profile. A wealth-focused company would work on risk mitigation so its risk of loss is reduced. When management wants to minimize profits, it prices product as high as possible in order to increase margins. A wealth-oriented company could do price in order to build market share over a long term. A profit-oriented business will spend just enough on its productive capacity to handle the existing sales levels and perhaps the short-term sales forecast. A wealth-oriented business will spend more heavily on capacity in order to meet its long-term sales projections. It should be apparent from the preceding discussion that the profit maximization is a strict short-term approach to manage the business, which could be damaged over a long term. Wealth maximization focuses attention on the long-term requirements, a larger investment and lower short-term profits, but with the long-term payoff that increase the value of the business. Thank you.